Want firmer, smoother, and younger-looking skin? Introducing Profhilo, a revolutionary injectable treatment designed to rejuvenate your skin from within using advanced collagen stimulation. Profhilo is delivered in 2 sessions, spaced 4 weeks apart. Each treatment uses a unique technique with precise injection points to evenly distribute its effects across the face. The bio-aesthetic points technique ensures minimal injections, just 10 points on the face to maximize results. These points target key areas where skin elasticity and hydration naturally decline over time. This process stimulates fibroblast cells, enhancing collagen and elastin production, improving firmness, texture, and hydration. Results begin within days and continue to develop for up to 6 months. Profhilo is perfect for treating the face, neck, and hands, reducing fine lines, tightening sagging skin, and delivering a radiant, youthful glow, all with no downtime. Ready to transform your skin with the science of Profhilo? Book your consultation today at London Skin Clinic. 2 treatments, targeted results.